Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 131, Elements of College Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 5. This is Section 3.1, Problem 5. It says, graph the linear inequality 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. So one of the earlier problems, it had less than or equal to 8. So this is greater than. It's similar, a little bit different. So again, what we have here is a four-step process to graph any linear inequality. Step one of the four steps is pretend that it's a linear equation and find 2 points that have coordinates that make the equation true. And what I like to do is make a little chart with an x column and a y column next to it. And I usually choose 0 for one of the variables and solve the other one. So if I choose 0 for x, 2 times x is 2 times 0. I just have y equals 8. And then, for another point, I can just choose 0 for y. And if I choose 0 for y, it just goes away. And again, I'm pretending this is equal. So I have the equation 2x equals 8. So x must be 4. 2 times 4 would make 8 equals 8. So x would be 4. And now I have 2 points that make the inequality true if I pretend it's an equation. 1.08, x is 0, y is 8. And the other point, 4 is 0, x is 4, y is 0. So step 2 of the four-step process is plot those 2 points on a graph. So the first one, 0, 8, I go over 0, up 8, like that. And then 4, 0, I go over 4, up 0. So that's step 2. I've plotted the 2 points on the graph. Step 3, connect the 2 points with a straight line. Use a solid line if you have the or equal to, a dashed line if you do not have the or equal to. I do have the or equal to, so I'm going to connect them. I'm going to use a solid line. So I'm going to take a ruler and put it on the 2 dots. And there's step 3. I've connected the 2 points from step 2. And finally, step 4, determine which half of the graph I need to shade. Do I shade above the line or below the line? So to do that, you want to choose a test point that's not on the line. Use 0, 0 if you can. 0, 0 is down here. It's not on the line. So I can use it. So now if I put in the x-coordinate and y-coordinate of my test point into my linear inequality, see if the result's true or false. So if x is 0 and y is 0, the whole left side of my inequality is 0, I get the statement 0 is greater than or equal to 8. Well, that's not true. 0 is not greater than 8. So what that means is my test points down here, the result was false. Therefore, this side is the blank side if I'm getting a false result. So the other side, the above side, is the shaded side. Like that.